nearshore waters from Wind Point to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, and Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, and the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Lake, McHenry, and Winnebago. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are in Milwaukee. Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, western Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, eastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, western Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Watertown to near Harvard, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukesha, New Berlin, Brookfield, Menominee Falls, Muskego, Watertown, Antioch, Whitewater, Pewaukee, Sussex, Elkhorn, Heartland, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Mukwonago, Delafield, Elm Grove, Union Grove, East Troy, and Paddock Lake. This includes the following locations: Pewaukee Lake, Ottawa Lake Recreation Area, and Pinewoods Campground. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe